Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use UPBASE's chat feature. It's a fantastic tool for real-time communication, and we're going to master it together. To start, let's log into your UPBASE account. If you haven't got one, simply head over to UPBASE's website and sign up. The reason we do this is because UPBASE's chat feature is only available to registered users. Once you're logged in, look towards the left of your screen. You'll see a sidebar with several icons. Click on the one that looks like a speech bubble. This is the chat feature. Now, let me explain why this matters. The chat icon is your portal to instant communication with your team. It's where all your conversations are housed. Now that we've done that, you'll see a new interface with a list of ongoing chats and a blank area to your right. To start a new chat, click on the New Chat button at the top. This helps us because it allows us to initiate a conversation with any team member or group within our organization. Next up, you'll see a pop-up asking you to select the team members you want to chat with. You can choose one person for a private chat or select multiple people for a group chat. The reason we do this is to give you control over who you want to communicate with and to ensure privacy and efficiency. Once you've selected your chat participants, you simply type your message into the text box at the bottom of the screen and hit enter. Your message will appear in the chat window and will be instantly sent to everyone you've selected. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. UPBASE's robust cloud servers are working to deliver your message in real time, ensuring seamless communication with your team. Before we wrap up, remember that you can also send files, images, and even emojis through UPBASE's chat feature. Just click on the plus sign next to the text box to explore these options. These additions make your conversations more engaging and effective. And that's it. You're now a pro at using the UPBASE chat feature. Remember, it's all about efficient, real-time communication with this tool. Make sure to use it to its fullest to enhance your team collaboration. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy chatting.